Today we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of building those forearms. From exercises to the right techniques, let's break it down. Now the forearms are one of those muscles people tend to overlook in their workout routine. But if you want that fully rounded, aesthetic, and powerful look, your forearms need more attention than you think. Let's talk about how to train them the right way. First, let's break down the anatomy a bit. Your forearms have two main groups of muscles, the flexors and the extensors. The flexors are responsible for bending your wrist and fingers. The extensors do the opposite, helping you straighten your wrist and fingers. Both of these muscle groups need to be trained for full development. You'll notice that when you train your forearms, it's not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about grip strength, wrist control, and consistency. The more you focus on these elements, the better your results will be. Now let's get into the good stuff, the exercises that will actually build mass and strength in your forearms. Let's start with wrist curls. You can do these with a dumbbell or barbell. Sit down, rest your forearms on your thighs, let your hands hang off the edge, and curl the weights using just your wrists. Make sure to go slow and control the movement. This exercise primarily targets the flexors and will give you that thick, dense look. Next up, reverse wrist curls. This targets the extensors and balances out your forearm development. Same setup as the regular wrist curl, but with your palms facing down. Again, focus on control, not speed. One of my favorite full body exercises that also blasts the forearms is the farmer's walk. Grab a pair of heavy dumbbells or kettlebells, stand tall, and walk for distance. This works your grip strength and forearms like nothing else, and it also improves your overall stability and endurance. Don't forget about hammer curls. These are fantastic for targeting the brachioradialis, the muscle on the side of your forearm. With your palms facing each other, curl the weights up. They may look simple, but the results are powerful. And for grip strength, dead hangs are a game changer. Simply hang from a pull-up bar for as long as you can. It's great for endurance and helps with building both forearm strength and size. If you've been training for a while and want to take your forearms to the next level, try these advanced techniques. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next one.